Hi everybody, so I've planned a schedule for class 10th ICSE students and it's completely dependent on you if you want to follow it. You can also modify the subjects if you want to according to the dates. And yes, I have planned this keeping in mind the CISC timetable. So if you want to follow it, you can definitely do it and also mail me if you have completed this target before 18. Let's begin. So, from 1st of February, you'll be starting with maths. So, 1st of February should be dedicated to maths. You have to complete all the formulas revision, your chapters, and try to do the exercise questions also, especially those from the PYQs. Then, 2nd of February will be dedicated to the previous year question papers, the mock papers, or the school question papers. Alright, so it's your choice if you want to do the mock papers that you have purchased or you want to do the school question papers. Well, those of you who don't know about this website, you can also refer to this for your board examination. This is Molly ebooks, and in this I've uploaded a number of ebooks that will be helpful for your ICSE 10th board examination. You can just check them out. I have uploaded English language full syllabus ebook, physics most important questions, full syllabus chemistry reactions, and so on. You can have a look here. These notes have also been referred by the topper students of ICSE and ISC board, and also you can see the clarity of these notes. The chapter wise notes are excellent for your preparation, so you can purchase them from the link in the description box. Then 3rd of February will be dedicated to chemistry. You have to revise the notes of the chapters, and organic chemistry practice should be done by heart because it has got a lot of things like nomenclature, IUPAC naming. You can also refer to Molly's channel because everything is uploaded related to the organic chemistry. For example, the naming, the nomenclature, IUPAC naming, and so on. Then, second day, obviously the PYQs. Then we move on to biology, that is on 5th February. Again, please make sure that you do all the diagrams because diagram based questions are asked every year. So you will have to do that, the labeling and all, the procedure, right? Then you can move on to the questions. Of course, you have to cover the notes first and then move on to all these things. Then the PYQs. 7th of February, it is dedicated to any subject. Then 8th of February, computer or optional subject. I had computers in my 10th, so I wrote this. In case you have any other optional subject, you can do it. Alright. You have to study the programming very well and output based questions. Especially, these are very important. Then 9th is for physics and 10th also. Notes and PYQs, then history civics and geography on 12th of February. See, I have merged both of these because I feel that both are equally important and it will take 1.5 day to complete history civics and then another 1.5 day to complete geography. Also, videos are uploaded for geography topo sheets and maps. You can check out Molly's channel. Make sure that you do the reasoning questions also because they are frequently asked. Please make sure to clear your concepts regarding each and everything, right? Be it the southwest monsoon or northeast monsoon, what is the reason why Rajasthan is dry? All these reasoning questions must be prepared. Then English literature. I have allotted only 1 day for it because you can see 19 and 20. 2 days of preparatory leave for English literature examination. I think it's Julius Caesar for class 10th. I'm currently not in touch with the English ICC syllabus. So, yeah. And the short stories also. You have to start with grammar first. Complete it in 1 day. All the prepositions, transformation of sentences, phrasal verbs. Then 17th, English language again. Your workbook, English workbook. Plus, you can refer to the PYQs. You can practice email and notice writing. Make sure to write the correct formats as prescribed by ICSC. For essays, if you want to watch a video, I have made part 1 and part 2. I think it will take only 20 minutes. And I've explained you how you have to write an essay, which essay you should attempt, what are the key points, how to write an essay, the whole structure, you can watch out my video. And I've already uploaded transformation of sentences, prepositions video on my channel, so you can refer to that. Thank you and all the best for your examination.